Hi, welcome to Spreadsheets. Today we're going to be looking at filters in a bit more detail and giving you a little bit more practice with it. So we have got here a whole list of suspects and for all their horrible and terrible crimes, and we're going to be Sherlock Holmes and find out who did the crime. So the first thing we're going to do is highlight all of the headings and click sort and filter to create these filters. Now remember, if you're doing these on a PC, it's going to look a little bit different, but everything's in the same place. It's just the terms they've used will look a bit different. So you've just got to kind of understand that and bear with that, because I'm doing mine on a Mac. So we need to first of all find out who did it, what happened, and then filter through it and find out who the culprit is. So I'm going to go back to, we've got a Word document here, or on Firefly where you found this video, click on check your answers. And we've got the description here. So case number 1. I'm going to show you how to do case 1, then I'm going to get you to do all the other cases yourself. So witness number 1, Mrs. Alison Savage, widow, age 64, height 1.72. Mrs. Savage had been robbed of many valuable items by a con man who tricked her into letting him enter her house by posing as a gas inspector. Sherlock Holmes, it's a very distressing time for you, but can you remember anything else about him, beside the fact that he was bald and had a beard? He was slightly smaller than me and also looked older. Ooh, okay, so we know that it was a man, he was bald and had a beard. So, what can we do with that? Let's go back to our spreadsheet. So, we're going to look at features. He had, so unselect all and just select beard. And he was bald. Okay, so you see I'm just filtering that, clicking on these arrows and selecting the ones I want to see. So we have 2 people. Now I believe she said also that he was slightly shorter. So let's go back. So I've got the Word document here. So 172. So it must be Mike Grant. Awesome. So I'm going to go back to this form, and in lowercase I'm going to write Mike, and then Grant. So that's all you do. Once you've come up with all of them and you've done all of the different cases using the filters that I've just demonstrated to you, click submit and it'll tell you straight away if you got the right answer. Okay, off you go, have fun.